Are you still waiting for designers to make your ad creatives? Let me blow your mind. In less than 30 seconds, AI can design your entire marketing campaign and it actually looks professional. Imagine you're launching a new fitness app. Instead of hiring an agency, just open Ideogram and type a single prompt. The AI instantly generates stunning, billboard-ready marketing posters with perfect text, sleek phone mockups, and real ad vibes. Let's create one now. This is the prompt box and I'm giving my prompt here and I'm clicking generate. Let's wait to see the magic. These are the results we got. Can you just believe we could create such high quality images in a few seconds? The best part is that you can even remix the same creative in totally different styles. Let's remix this image. So there is an option here to remix. Let's click on this. And there is an option for a style. So let me choose a cartoon style and then click on remix. Let's see what happens. Wow, the magic has happened. It has completely remixed that image in cartoon style. You can try other options listed here as well. It's like having an entire creative studio that never sleeps sitting right inside your browser. Try it once and you will realize waiting for design teams for initial ideas is officially outdated. Let AI create the initial versions and make use of your design teams for strategic enhancements. To know more such informative videos on AI and AI tools, subscribe and start following into the Kickstart channel.